Good morning, you guys. Shoot, in my hustle and bustle, I wasn't able to record this morning. I wanted to record this morning to show you like the process that I go through with getting myself and my son ready for the day. I've already dropped them off for daycare and I'm headed to work. I'm a little discombobulated because I was hustling about. But I'm on the road, thank the Lord. And yeah, I will talk to you guys when I get to my office. Okay, good morning everyone. I am here at work a little later than usual, but I'm still the first one here. And like I said earlier, I was rushing about and hustling about and couldn't really record this morning, which is what my plan was. But I'm here at work. I plan on having a good day today. Y'all, this morning I dropped my camera behind the washing machine on the hard floor. I just knew my camera was broken. First off, it took me forever to fish my camera from behind the washing machine. And then when I finally retrieved it, I have to check it out, cut it on, and make sure that the monitor wasn't broken or the lens wasn't broken, and we're all good. But yeah, that's just a bit of my morning. I will talk to you guys a little later. Okay, what's going on, you guys? I have just left work. I am on my way to my son's daycare. And it looks like I'm gonna make it there in pretty good time, you guys. I've been driving for like 10 minutes now, and it looks like traffic is pretty good, so it looks like I'm gonna make it there in decent time. I'm at a pretty good day today, and I will talk to you guys a little later so I can concentrate on this road here. It flew all over. It's gone. Poo poo. I don't like him over this way because all the wasps are there. Oh, poo poo. What is that? That's an owl. Can you say owl? What? Yes. That's good enough. Yeah. Pooh Bear. What's happening, you guys? I am now at home. I made it to my son's daycare in wonderful timing. It was a little bit before 5 o'clock and I was happy about that. We let the little one play outside a bit before we came in the house, but now he's down relaxing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you him.
But for very different prices. You really want to check them all?
You want to say hi? He's a little
sad
sad because he had to come in the house, you guys. So yeah, that's why you see the tears in his eyes, because he had to come back in the house. But yeah, he's down relaxing. My husband is out watering the grass. I'm going to get a little comfortable and I will talk to you later. Okay, what's going on, you guys? How are you? Am I too close? Should I go back? How are you doing? I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I had a pretty busy day. As you notice, I wasn't able to vlog during my work day, but you know, I vlogged prior to starting work and after work, so I did get some footage in. My little one is down. He's been down for a moment, and they do fireworks in my neighborhood, and they are really, really loud. So I'm hoping this white noise drowns all of that out so he can sleep peacefully through the night. My husband is in the bedroom, relaxing. I think he's playing some game on his tablet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. And the current event I want to end it on is, I'm sure you guys have seen the videos on Facebook, on Yahoo, but about the CPR dog. Have y'all seen that? I'm not quite sure if I would want him rescuing me, because I just don't know. But he has the basics down. He did the chest compressions. He did not do the mouth to mouth, but he did listen for a pulse. I think that's what he was doing. But I think it's the cutest thing that they were able to train him to do at least that. So it's the cutest little thing to see. If you have not seen it, it's on Facebook everywhere. If you look on Yahoo, it's still on Yahoo. So it's in a lot of outlets, so just look it up. It's very, very cute, you guys. So I want you to let me know what you think about that down below in the comment section. I'm waiting. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. God bless.